Franz, thanks very much for joining us at the Sport Production Summit today, where sonoVTS is serving as the registration sponsor. From the programme, can you tell us a little bit about the technologies that you're most looking forward to hearing about at the summit today?
So of course, basically we are very interested in the IP production, and as very related to IP production, of course, remote production or at-home production, which is I think a very big driver for our industry, and the future production will coming up in 2020 and 2022. And so yeah, well, we are very interested in that technology.
I know sonoVTS has been sort of refocusing on three key areas in recent times: products, rental and systems integration. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, of course. So first of all, where we come from is our systems, which is the SI, the typical SI job. So we are a manufacturer and a builder of OB vans, also fixed installations, of course with a focus on the European market. The second one is the rental business. I guess is exactly that business what fits to the SVG summit here today, because that covers our biggest project, like the World Cup, where we were involved to provide the host broadcaster with the 12 production facilities at all the venues and also the TOCs. And of course we do dry hire and smaller project as well. And last but not least, our third area is products. Well, first of all, we have our own displays, which large range of HD, UHD and HDR displays. Also with the possibility to connect them to a system by IP 2110 or 2022. And but we also will show up some software solutions, let's call it tools, what we will launch tomorrow at the IBC.
I know that you've been involved in some important projects this year. Can you sort of tell us about some of the most significant projects on the sports side?
I guess you definitely mean the World Cup. By the way, we also were involved for Pyeongchang. We did all the production facilities and broadcast infrastructure for the ORF. It's the Austrian state broadcaster. But the project you're talking about, I guess, is the Football World Cup. We were contracted by Sony to provide the host broadcaster HBS with all the production facilities and all the 12 venues, as well as the TOCs at all the 12 venues. And so we were up to 80 staff of 80 guys in Russia to fulfill these projects. And of course we have a larger period of commissioning and installation in Germany to prepare this big event.
Finally, can you tell me a little bit about your personal sports highlight of the year so far?
Well, of course, that's definitely the Football World Cup in 2014, 2018 as well. Because it's as well as it is also the biggest project sonoVTS ever did.
Franz, thanks very much for joining us here, and I hope you enjoyed the summit.
Thank you.